Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you a step-by-step guide on how to get Canva Pro for free. Canva Pro is an excellent design tool that can help you create stunning designs for your social media, personal projects, or business. However, the premium version of Canva can be quite expensive, which might not be affordable for some users. So, if you're looking for ways to access Canva Pro for free, keep watching. Step 1. Sign up for Canva. The first step to get Canva Pro for free is to sign up for a Canva account. To do this, open your preferred web browser and search for Canva. Once you find the official website, click on Sign up for free to create a free account. You can select Continue with email, but you don't have to fill your own email. You have to sign up with fake email address. To obtain a fake email address, you can visit a website called Temporary Email, and then copy the email address. After copying the temporary email address, you will need a verification code. Go back to the temporary email website, and you will see the verification code for that email. Copy the code and paste it into Canva's verification box. Once you complete the verification, you can finish the sign-up process by providing your name and creating a password. However, keep in mind that this is not a pro account, and you need to follow the next step to access the pro features. Step 2. Get Canva Pro for free. The second step is to visit a website called bingotingo.com. This website provides access to Canva Pro for free. Once you are on the website, scroll down to find the section on how to use Canva. Click on it, and a new interface will open in front of you. The interface provides instructions on how to get Canva Pro for free. Scroll down further, and you will see a timer. Wait until the timer is over, and then click on the download button. You will then be taken to the next page, where you need to click on Get Here. Finally, click on Got It, and your Canva Pro features will be unlocked. You should now be able to see the Pro features on your Canva dashboard. Congratulations, you now have access to Canva Pro for free. With Canva Pro, you can create stunning designs and take your creativity to the next level. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments.